What is up, YouTube? All right, so it's Dougie, the Mustachioed Mechanic, and I've got some huge news today. So, yes, the YouTube is just getting off the grounds, but wait for this. I've got my first sponsor. How awesome is that? So, this first sponsor is Disruption Train Horns. You heard that correct. My Chevy truck, my Silverado, is getting a train horn installed on it, hopefully next week. So this is what I need from you. Subscribe, so whenever the videos come out, it's going to be a whole series. Whenever they come out, you will be able to be notified that they are out and you'll get to see them first. I also need you to comment below. Let me know what you want to see with these. Of course, there's going to be an installation video. The cool thing about Disruption is it is bolt-on. You don't have to drill any more holes. It uses the stock holes that come from the factory. They make one for a lot of different cars. Mine is an 07 Chevy Silverado, if you're into the old school YouTube. But I need to know what you want to see. Do you want to see prank videos? Do you want to see screwing with people, wired up to brake lights? I don't know. What do you want to see? Give me a little creative juice to flow with. So each person that subscribes or has subscribed before and comments below, I've got some swag that I'm going to randomly give out. A couple stickers, stuff like that. So, I need your help. This is going to be a lot of fun. I'm really excited about it. I'm over the moon. It's a pretty big thing to get a sponsorship this early. And with some help from y'all, we'll be able to get some more. All right. Like I said, subscribe so you can see the videos whenever they come out. You can be notified. Comment below. Let me know what you want to see with these train horns. Do you like train horns? Do you hate train horns? Do you have any ideas for cool videos? Let me know. The more you give me some ideas, the better I can make good and entertaining content for you. All right? I'm excited. Let's do this.